Okay, question number 15. Let A equal to minus 1, 0, 1, 2 is the set and B is another set. So f and g are two functions mapped from A to B. So f of x is defined as f of x equal to x square, sorry, this should be minus x square minus x, where x belongs to A, and g of x is defined here. We need to check if f and g are equal. For x equal to minus 1, we get f of minus 1, which is minus 1 square minus of minus 1, which is equal to 2. Similarly, for g of minus 1, 2 times of mod of minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 equal to 2 times of mod of minus 3 by 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2 into 3 by 2 minus 1, which is 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Similarly, we need to find f of 0, g of 0, f of 1, g of 1, f of 2 and g of 2. So notice that for any given value of x in A, f of x is equal to g of x, and hence f and g are equal functions. Now the next question, let the set A be defined as 1, 2, 3. Then the number of relations containing 1, 2 and 1, 3 which are reflexive and symmetric but not transitive is. This is what we need to find. It's slightly tricky. So we need to form a relation wherein 1, 2 and 1, 3 should be there. So the minimum possible relation with 1, 2 and 1, 3 is, of course, we can start like this. So 1, 2 and 1, 3. However, it should be reflexive and symmetric as well. So we have to write 2, 2, 3, 3. So we got 1, 2, 1, 3, and we have 2, 2 and 2, 3. And symmetric, since 1, 2 is there, we need to write 2, 1. Since 1, 3 is there, we need to write 3, 1. So this is the minimum possible relation that we can form, which is reflexive and symmetric as well. So you might be thinking, why we haven't included 1, 1? If I include 1, 1 here, I have 1, 2 and 2, 1, and from 1, 2 and 2, 1, we will get 1, 1, which introduces transitivity here. But we don't want transitive, and hence this is the minimum possible relationship that meets the given conditions, and as the number of possible relation containing 1, 2 and 1, 3 is 1, satisfying the above conditions, that is reflexive and symmetric. Now let A equal to 1, 2, 3. The number of equivalence relation containing 1, 2. How many numbers are possible? Now possible pairs in A are 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Now we need a relation which should contain 1, 2, and it should be equivalence also. So first I need to write 1, 2, and it should be equivalent, in the sense it should be reflexive, it should be symmetric, as well as it should be transitive. So 1, 2 for symmetricity I can write 2, 1. For reflexive I can write 1, 1 and 2, 2. So we have reflexive relation here and also symmetric relation, and definitely transitive relation as well, because 1, 2 and 2, 1. So we get 1 and 1. So we need not add 3, 3 here. So if we include 1 comma 3 in this relation, then you will find that 3 comma 1 is not available here, and hence it is not symmetric. If we include 3 comma 1, there is no 1 comma 3 here, and hence R1 will not be symmetric. Note that at any given point of time you can include only one pair. So first I am introducing 1 3 and it fails symmetric check, and hence I am taking 1 3 back, and now I am introducing 3 comma 1 and it also fails symmetric check. Similar is the case with 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2 individually. Thus, after R1, that is this relation, the only possible relation which obeys equivalence is the universal relation. And hence option B is the correct answer. That is two possible relation, one minimum possible relation and another one is universal relation. So in between, if you start adding any other pair, it affects the equivalence condition.